Mayor Vico Sotto. You mentioned in your Facebook statement that you had seen many inconsistencies, no, in the testimony of the discayas. No? So maybe you can intimate to the committee what these particular inconsistencies are.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Marami nga po tayong naobserbahan na you use the term inconsistencies, but I would like to be more direct. Kasinungalingan po talaga. At lantarang kasinungalingan naman po yung mga sinasabi nito. Hindi naman po bago sa kanila ang pagsisinungaling. Naobserbahan na po natin ito on the record and in public very many times. Sabi nga, dito sa kaso na ito, ang sinungaling ay asawa ng magnanakaw. Ay ito po talaga yung nakikita natin. Ano? Isang very glaring na kasinungalingan ay yung kahapon po sa statement, sa sworn statement po nila, ay na 2 to 3% lang daw ang kinikita nila sa bawat kontrata. Kahit naman po hindi ka eksperto sa larangan ng construction o engineering, obvious naman po na kasinungalingan ito. Meron pa po, sabi po nila, when Senator Tulfo was questioning them, sabi niya po, minsan daw po, lugi pa daw siya. Ang bait naman po ng mga ito. Kung tumatanggap sila ng kontrata sa gobyerno, nagbibid sila para malugi. No sane business person would do that. Of course, I think everyone in this room would agree. Sinasabi nila 2 to 3% yung normal, 5% daw pag sinuwerte. Pag kinumpute po natin, alam ko medyo, Mr. Chair, with all due respect, if we just apply simple logic, it is already clear that they are lying. Although alam ko medyo iba kasi yung logic na ginagamit nila sa universe po nila. Pero pag tiningnan po natin logically, 2 to 3% of even 100 billion, edi 2 to 3 billion pesos lang po ito. Sila naman po yung nagmalaki at nag-flaunt, pinagyabang po nila yung lifestyle nila. Na sobrang sabi nga po nila sa isang interview, 11 digits. Sabi po nila, pinagyayabang nila, 11 digits. Sabi ni Ma'am Cesara, 11 digits ang assets nila. So hindi bababa sa 10 billion. Nakita po natin, isang jade lang nila sa sa office nila, 100 million na kagad yun. Yung mga sasakyan, if they paid the correct taxes, it would easily reach almost 1 billion, if not more than 1 billion. How will you afford that if you're only earning 2 to 3% profit? Sabi naman nila, wala silang private contracts. Ayaw na daw nila sa private kasi maliit ang kita. Nasa interview din po nila. So, buti na lang po ang isda ay nahuhuli sa sarili nilang bibig. Buti na lang po, ganun po sila magsalita in public at nalalaman natin ang mga katotohanan. And I don't mean to overstep, Mr. Chair. Please stop me at any time. But I would just like to, siguro hindi naman warning, pero siguro ang aking pag-igayat sa bawat isa, pati na rin sa mga mamamayang, sa ordinaryong mamamayan, na mag-ingat po tayo sa mga naririnig po natin. Alam naman po ng lahat ng tao sa kwarto na ito na may guilty na senador, may guilty na congressman, may guilty na DPWH officials, may guilty na contractor at maaaring sa iba pang ahensya ng pamahalaan. Pero sa puntong ito, nakikita po natin, hindi lang sila basta naglalaglagan, gusto nila magulo ang kwento. Gusto nila lituhin tayo. Gusto nila na hindi na natin malalaman kung ano totoo para eventually mawawala na lang na parang bula. Magkakalituhan na tayo, hindi na natin malalaman kung anong totoo sa hindi. Magbabanggit na lang ng kung ano, na wala naman silang pruweba o ebidensya. Sa mga pangalan na nabanggit niya po kahapon, naniniwala ako may iba doon, totoo. Pero hindi tayo present, they have to present evidence of course. And I think we really have to be careful because in our experience with them, in my experience with them, Mr. Chair, these are people who are really capable of lying. Without batting an eyelash. So we have to be very careful in how we proceed. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, short manifestation, Mr. Chair. Just a short manifestation.
Okay, yes, please, very short.
Yes, Mayor Vico Sotto mentioned about the taxes, the deficiencies. So may I manifest that, is the Bureau of Internal Revenue here? BIR? Nandito ba sila?
We will check if they're here.
Well, anyway, I would like to manifest to this committee to investigate the tax deficiencies of the companies and likewise to furnish copies of this committee and likewise the local government of Pasig so they can review the tax deficiencies of these companies. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Right, thank you. Okay, so I think we can proceed already with Congresswoman, for the next interpellator, Congresswoman Laila de Lima.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I first ask, Mr. Chair, who are those who were subpoenaed during the last hearing, the first hearing, but are no show?
Comsec, kindly respond to the question of Congresswoman de Lima, please.
Mr. Chair, we sent a subpoena ad testificandum to the following Wawaw Builders, Alpha and Omega, St. Timothy, and Top Notch Catalyst Builders and Sims Construction Trading. Yumir Villanueva of Top Notch Catalyst is here, and so is Sally N. Santos from Sims Construction Trading. Meanwhile, Mark Ryan Arevalo of Wawaw Builders sent a medical certificate from stating he has some medical condition.
So
And
how many?
Alpha and Omega
So
sent
how many?
a letter stating security risks. That's why she cannot attend today's hearing. We have two attendees, Your Honors.
Okay. So how many did not appear today in spite of the
Three,
summons?
Your Own. Three.
Your Honors, of the 5 subpoenas sent, only 2 responded.
Only 2 responded. But the rest, they have submitted letters. They sent letters, excuse letters. The reasons?
Two excuse letters and 3 excuse letters, Your Honors.
Okay, later I will be presenting